sounds going on this even before we head out. All right, here we go. Oh man, you ready?
Mm-mm.
People are waiting on you.
Who?
The people. Your people.
Okay, 42 seconds,
42
not minutes.
seconds. Not 42 minutes.
Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Here we go.
All right.
Up.
Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 93 of Run the Year 2013. Ooh, I said 2013. 2021, where we're going to post every day of this year till we get to 2021 miles or more, but not less. So this channel, if this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel. This channel, the purpose here is all about inspiration, motivation. It's about positivity. It's about pushing yourself. It's about moving your body every day. And it's about sharing that and getting someone else to move with you, to go with you, to inspire them to get out and roll with you. So with that, hey, have a great day. We did get it in. If you won today, hit me with a hashtag RickRayPoint and let me know what you did. Leave me a comment down below. And with that, I'm proud of you. Hey, get it in and invest in yourself, invest in your health, and do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button right there. Oh yeah, and we did get the push-ups in.
Up. 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 Up.
All right, there you go, even in the noise, there we go. All right, talk to you tomorrow.